बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am showing you a most beautiful and creative recycling craft ideas. Firstly, tell me about how are you all guys. I hope so you all are fine. And I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, these are very amazing and very unique recycling craft ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these recycling creative ideas. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel, click the bell icon for more notifications, for more updates about my channel. So viewers, you must tell me about how much you like this video. So viewers, you leave the comment below in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel. Always keep supporting my channel, and I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. And I personally like these craft ideas because this is very easy and very creative and very cheap in prices, and I make these craft work at home very easily. And if you don't know about these craft work, then you'll watch craft work tutorials on YouTube and you make it by your own, and you also watch different kind of craft videos on my channel about different craft work like macrama, wall hanging, decoration ideas, pebble painting ideas, different other recycling and upcycling craft ideas for home decor and so on. And if you want different kind of videos and different other kind of craft work, then you must tell me about those craft work. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Follow for more details and keep watching my videos and keep supporting my channel. These are very beautiful and very amazing ideas for you guys, and you must like these craft work and these creative recycling craft work. So viewers, thank you for appreciating me, and I'm glad to see you all guys again with next video. And always follow my channel, and always be happy, and always take care of yourself, because this is your life, not others, and you must enjoy your life. So take care. Allah Hafiz guys.